So you've decided that 2024 is the year of content creation for your small business. And you know that you need a branding photography session or something to get professional content, but maybe it's not quite in the budget for you just yet. Don't worry, here's 3 types of photos that you could take on your own with whatever camera that you have, even just your phone, that'll help attract your ideal client and show off your business in its best light. The first one is going to be fresh headshot. The first one is going to be fresh headshots or team photos. Set your phone or your camera up on a tripod, put it on a timer, and take some fresh photos. Pro tip, if you have an Apple Watch and an iPhone, you can actually activate your camera and take photos from your watch so that you don't have to worry about using the timer, and you can see on your watch what the image looks like to make sure that everything's in frame. Number 2 is going to be your interior, your exterior, or just your workspace. Bring people in, show them where you're working, show them what it's like to come into your restaurant or come into your shop. And then number 3, probably one of the most important photos that you could take, is your process photos or your behind the scenes. Bring your audience into what it's like to buy that product, use that product, what goes into making it, what it's like to work with you if you're a service provider. All of those things can help build a narrative for your business that could help attract your ideal clients. I hope these were helpful, and follow for more tips.